Hello, welcome to OnPrint Shop. In this video, we will have a look at Canvas Solution Enhancement in version 10. We have given options for foreground and background matte, other than edges. Also, we will be having the option to add text on canvas. This change is for only a single canvas. Let's have a look at the storefront first. We have introduced two new visual facilities to bind with an additional option, that is, the background and foreground of the canvas, as you can see over here. Also, we have placed all the canvas elements into a box, as you can see here. Let's have a look at the admin. You have to add an option for background and foreground, as you can see. After that, in the canvas section, you have blind options with foreground and background. To do this, choose an additional option from the drop-down list, then select an event from the given options, and then choose event attributes, based on your requirement, for the foreground matte option. Put the required width thickness in pixels, upload images for decor, choose a color for the color attribute, and save. Similarly, you have to repeat the process for the background option, and save it. Now, when you go to the front, here we have given frame and matte options hierarchy. We have to always set it like this: frame, foreground, and then the background. If the foreground option has not been selected, but the background option is selected, then the background will not appear. The background will only work with the foreground option. For all types of canvas, we have given the option to enable stock management, size-based, or size with option-based, which you can see in the edit section over here. To add stock, you have to go manage stock. There is another feature we have given, to add text on the canvas. Here you can put any text, for example, like this, where you can change the text properties, as well as include alignment, fonts, color, size, etc. For this, there is a back-end setting, in the Designer Studio, then Studio Settings, here search, allowed max text to add, where you can put the number of text that you want to allow your customers to put into the canvas. If you put 0 here, then there will be no text allowed to be put on the canvas. Now if you put 1, the text will be allowed only once. Similarly, you can put any number for the times you want to allow your customer to put text on the canvas. Thanks for watching this video. In case of any queries, feel free to connect with us.